I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring both Excel workbooks are saved where you can reach them. This prevents broken links. Once done, open the destination workbook and then the source workbook so you can click between them. If you need single cell references, use a direct formula link. For tables or repeated ranges, consider Power Query. Make sure editing is enabled and autosave is off while linking. This avoids accidental overwrites and lets you confirm paths before creating any references. You create a direct link by typing equals in the destination cell, switching to the source workbook, and clicking the cell you need. Press Enter to lock the external reference including the file path. For structured or multi-row data, go to Data, get data from File from Workbook. Select the file, pick the table or range, then load or transform to shape data. Use named ranges in the source to keep links stable if rows or columns move, which reduces future breakage. You finish by saving both files and verifying the link updates. Go to Data, edit links to update, change source, or break links. If Excel prompts about inaccessible files, use edit links to point to the new file path or open the source file, then refresh. This repairs formulas that include full paths. Once satisfied, decide whether to keep live links or paste as values for a static snapshot. One quick troubleshooting tip: if links still break, open the source workbook first, then refresh the destination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.